Brittany and Patches here. Today we're going to make a quiche. Hey, did you know a quiche is actually a French dish? It consists of a pastry crust, a custard filling with usually things like cheese and meat and vegetables, sometimes seafood. It's very versatile. And the possibilities are endless. But today, I'm going to show y'all how to make my favorite. It's an onion and mushroom.
Onion and mushroom? That's an awesome flavor combination.
We will need 4 eggs, 2 cups of cream. I'm using half and half. 1 defrosted 9-inch pie crust, mushrooms, onions, about a half a cup of cheese. I'm using Italian cheese. And the secret ingredient, black pepper and cayenne. So let's get started. First, I'm going to prep my pan. You're going to need some nonstick spray. And your pie crust. Gently roll out your pie crust and then let it just gently kind of lay into the pan. It'll just kind of fall in and you just gently press the sides down. Just like that. Whoop, got a wrinkle. There we go. Beautiful. Just like that. Now you want to preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Now let's work on that custard filling. We're going to take our 4 eggs and we're going to whisk them. Get them nice and beat up. Then we're going to add our 2 cups of cream. Hey, did you know that a quiche has a cream to egg ratio? It is for every 1 large egg, a half a cup of cream.
Wow.
Next, I'm going to take my spices and I'm just going to add my pepper and my cayenne. Now, I know when some people are making a quiche, they like to sprinkle the stuff on top, but I like to just go ahead and put it in there so it just incorporates it all in good and yummy and delicious. So I'm going to put the cheese, my onions, get all that goodness out of there. I like my onions chopped up nice and fine. I think it makes it have a better consistency when it's done. And now, the mushrooms. I'm using baby buttons today. But you can use whatever kind of mushroom you like. Beautiful. Now we're going to take our pie crust. And we're going to pour our lovely custard into it. There we go. And now we're going to bake her in the oven at 325 degrees for about 50 minutes or until you can stick a toothpick in the middle and it comes out clean. So we took it out of the oven and here it is. Isn't it beautiful? And it smells so good. And it has this lovely golden brown crust with this lovely little golden outline. It makes me want to get a slice, so let's get one. It's just so light, fluffy, and creamy and savory. It'll just melt in your mouth. And that cayenne pepper just gives it that extra something. I can't wait to get me a little nibble here. Mmm, just melts right in my mouth. Wonderful.
Oui, oui, Quiche's delicious.
Yeah, y'all got to make this. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.